Next topic, deficiency disease. What is mean by deficiency? Deficiency is something that your body needs is not having enough. That is a lack. That is meaning of lack. Deficiency in something that your body needs is not having enough. That is a meaning of deficiency. What is a deficiency disease? A person may be getting enough food to eat, but sometimes the food may not contain a particular nutrient. If this continues over a long period of time, the person may suffer from its deficiency. That is a deficiency. Deficiency of one or more nutrients can cause diseases or disorders in our body. The diseases that occur due to lack of nutrients over a long period are called deficiency disease. Over a long period are called deficiency disease. Listen. Definition of deficiency disease. Listen. The diseases that are caused by a lack of particular nutrient in a person diet are called deficiency disease. The lack of someone particular nutrient means vitamins, minerals, iodine, minerals like calcium, iodine. Okay, next vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, the deficiency of vitamin. Okay, the lack of someone particular nutrient in a person diet are called deficiency disease. Okay, now listen. If a person does not get enough proteins in his or her, listen, his food for a long time, he is likely to have stunted growth, swelling of face, discoloration of hair, skin disease and diarrhea. Skin disease and diarrhea. If the diet is deficient, in both carbohydrates and proteins for a long period of time, the growth may stop completely. Such a person becomes very lean and thin and so weak that he may not even be able to move. The deficiency of different vitamins and minerals may also result in certain disease or disorder. Some of these are mentioned in the following table 3. Now we will learn about the table 2.3. Listen. All deficiency disease can be prevented by taking a balanced diet. In this chapter, we asked ourselves the reason why widely varying food from different regions had a common distribution. This distributions we find ensures that our meals have a balance of the different nutrients needed by the body. Okay, the deficiency of one or more nutrients in our food for a long time may cause certain disease or disorders. Okay, now we will learn about the deficiency of disease. Okay, the first one, vitamin A. The vitamin A deficiency disease, loss of vision. Deficiency disease, loss of vision. Symptoms, poor vision, loss of vision in darkness at night time. Sometimes complete loss of vision. Next, vitamin B1. Vitamin B1, the deficiency disease, beriberi. Symptoms, weak muscles. Muscles also weak. Weak muscles and very little energy to work. And very little energy to work. Then next one, vitamin C. Vitamin C deficiency disease, scurvy. Bleeding gums. Symptoms, bleeding gums, wounds, take longer time to heal. Then next one, vitamin D. The deficiency disease rickets. Symptoms, bones become soft and bent. Bones become soft and bent. Next, calcium, minerals. Calcium, iodine, iron are also minerals. Okay. Next, calcium, deficiency disease, bone and tooth decay. Symptoms, weak bones, tooth decay. Next, iodine, deficiency disease, goiter. Symptoms, glands in the neck appear swollen. Mental disability in children's weakness. Next, last one, iron. Deficiency disease, anemia. Symptoms, weaks. Okay. Can you understand? Okay. Next, we will see sources of vitamins and sources of minerals. Okay. In the pictures. Okay. Now we will go to see the pictures. First, vitamin A. Vitamin A, rich foods, egg, carrot, dairy products. Dairy products means milk products. Milk products means milk beda, cheese, paneer. That is a dairy products. Then broccoli, papaya, fish. These foods are vitamin A rich foods. Then the deficiency disease. Deficiency disease, loss of vision. Next, vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 another name thiamine. Vitamin B1 another name thiamine. The vitamin B1, thiamine rich foods, sunflower seeds, black beans, white beans or navy beans, lentils, pinto beans, beef liver, soya beans, asparagus. These also vitamin B1 rich food items. Next, vitamin B1 deficiency disease. Already we learned about beriberi. This is a beriberi disease. Weak muscles and very little energy to work. Next, vitamin D. Vitamin D rich food items, fatty fish, mushrooms, sour cream, yogurt. Yogurt means curd, milk, butter, egg yolk. Rich vitamin D food items. Deficiency disease, rickets. Bones become soft and bent. Bones become soft and bent. This like rickets disease. This like legs. Next, minerals, calcium. First one, calcium. Calcium. Calcium deficiency disease, bone and tooth decay. Deficiency disease, bones and tooth decay. Next one, the calcium. Listen, calcium rich food items, milk products, spinach, etc. Next, iodine. Iodine rich foods, potatoes, strawberry, sea vegetables, seafoods also rich iodine. Okay, sea vegetables, sea salt, sea fish. Okay, this also iodine rich food items. Navy beans. Next, strawberries. Iodine deficiency disease, goiter. Goiter. Look, this is a goiter disease. The glands in the neck appear swollen. The glands in the neck appear swollen. The iodine, this disease also known as iodine deficiency disease. Okay, iodine deficiency disease, goiter. In the neck region. Okay, the neck appears swollen. Next, iron. Iron rich food items, soya beans, oatmeal, raisins, eggs, shellfish, grain bread, red meat, chicken and turkey, green leaves. This also iron rich food items. Dates also. Dates. All of you know the dates. Dates also rich iron content. Next, this iron deficiency disease, anemia. Listen, this is anemia. Anemia means what? The RBC cells, red blood cells, the normal blood cells, anemic. Anemia means the reduced RBC cells. The reduce of RBC cells. That's all. Next, vitamin. Next one, vitamin. Vitamin C. Vitamin C rich food items. Kiwi, orange, papaya, strawberry. Okay, yellow capsicum, spinach, guava. Also vitamin rich C food items. Vitamin C food items. Next, vitamin C deficiency, scurvy. Vitamin C deficiency disease, scurvy. Okay, vitamin C deficiency disease, scurvy. The bleeding gums. Wounds take longer time to heal. Bleeding, see the teeth, the bleeding gums. This is a vitamin C deficiency disease, scurvy. That's all. Thank you, students.